Should have got another eBay package. I couldn't just get the shipping label off entirely, so I gotta be careful. I covered it though a bit. Already unboxed this a bit because I want to make sure it was in good condition, and it was. So I'm not gonna say what this is yet, but I'll show you it first. I gotta see if it works though before leaving our review and stuff. Yep, it looks like an amplifier there. This is very heavy though. One of the heaviest receiver amplifiers I have. It's not a receiver quite a bit though. It's an amplifier. My God, I can barely lift that. Holy shit. I'm gonna take it all when I'm positing this camera. I really hope to God this thing works. Like, I paid almost $100 for this. It is so heavy. I wonder how much the GS-250 weighs. Like, the 150 is like already that heavy for that big ass transformer. The knobs appear to be in good shape. Comes with an equalizer. It's kind of no big deal though. Don't want to turn it up all the way, or it'll probably damage it. This is the equalizer and stuff. Look at that. It is like so heavy. I gotta be careful though. I don't see any damage at all so far. I need to insert a screw. I'll just probably remove it one of these. I'm not gonna use every screw. Hopefully needs to come in the 70 volt. I'll just use the aux, and I can use microphones on this. I'll eventually get a microphone for this. I can also wire a mic there, but I prefer using XLR. XLR is much better. There's this filter switch and stuff. There's a reset button. There's a breaker. It is so heavy. It's gonna tear up my clothing. I'm gonna end this video now. Thanks for watching. Well, I'm gonna test it before. Well, I'm gonna end this for now and then test it.